Hi, and welcome to video 4 for this topic. It's the dictation test, so get your pen and some paper and let's go. Word number 1 today is subjects. Subjects. Number 2, chemistry. Chemistry. Number 3, biology. Biology. Number 4, physics. Physics. Number 5, geography. Geography. Number 6, grades. Grades. Number 7, report card. Report card. And the last word for today, major. Major. Okay, now let's check your answers. Hi, and welcome to day 5 of our 14-day fluency course. Today we're talking about work. Let's go. Our first word for today is occupation. Now, occupation means your job. However, it's a more formal way of saying your job. So, for example, I can say, my job is a teacher. I can also say, my occupation is a teacher. Let's have a look at word number 2. Our second word for today is full-time. Now, full-time is used to describe how many hours you work. So if you have a full-time job, usually you work about 35 to 40 hours a week. Let's have a look at word number 3. Word number 3 is part-time. Now, I said before that full-time means you work 35 or 40 hours a week. Part-time means you work less than that. Usually a part-time job might be 10 or 15 hours a week. Many students have part-time jobs when they're at high school or university. Let's have a look at word number 4. Our fourth word for today is independently. Now, independently means by yourself. So, for example, if I say, I work well independently, it means I work well by myself. Let's have a look at the next word today. Our fifth word for today is professional. Now, if I say I am a professional teacher, the meaning is that I am a serious teacher. It means that I won't be late and that I take my job seriously. Let's have a look at the next word for today. Word number 6 today is salary. Now, why do we work? We work for money. So, salary is talking about money. So, for example, if someone says, what is your salary? Then that means how much money do you earn? Let's have a look at word number 7. Our seventh word for today is ambitious. Now, ambitious means that you're always trying to get more money or a higher position, like a promotion, for example. It means that you are not happy with what you have now and you're always looking for something better. I can use this to describe my personality. I can say, for example, that I am an ambitious person, or I can say I am not an ambitious person. let's have a look at our last word for today. Our next word for today is balance. Now, balance means that everything is even. So you might work hard, which is great, but you also need to have some time to relax. Now, let's take a moment to review the words we learned today. Say them after me. Word number 1, occupation. Occupation. Word number 2, full-time. Full-time. Word number 3, part-time. Part-time. Number 4, independently. Independently. Number 5, professional. Professional. Number 6, salary. Salary. Number 7, ambitious. Ambitious. Number 8, balance. Balance. Okay, fantastic. Now, in the next video, I'm going to put these words together to make a speech. See you then. Bye.